Johnny Depp is sick of Amber Heard's lawyer. There's a thin line between asking questions while being a good lawyer and provoking the person and forcing them to say the answer you want to hear. Usually, Johnny would still be respectful even though Amber's lawyers actively bully him on public television.
Related to the story about me getting...
It just, yes or no, Mr. Depp. I don't...
So life does not come down to yes or no at all times. I can't please you with a yes or a no.
What type of lawyer stops a witness on the stand mid-sentence? But now, he won't play any more of their games. During a sidebar, one of Amber's lawyers was giving Johnny a dirty look. The actor quickly took notice of this and taunted him. Some people saw this in the wrong light and thought Johnny was actually harassing Whitney, Amber Heard's sister. How could he when he treats her like his real sister, even let her stay at his house rent-free? Anyway, Amber's lawyer had no business doing that. They may be arguing different sides, but they shouldn't be so emotional. At least Johnny Depp's lawyers still treat Amber respectfully, even when she avoids their questions. They try their best to help her answer it without being rude. The other day, they mocked Johnny's voice too.
A tape in which Mr. Depp said, "You will not see my eyes again." Do you recall that?
I do.
And that was...
Some may find it funny, but in reality, it's so unprofessional. They're also rude to his witnesses. Morgan Tremaine was on the stand for TMZ and Elaine Bredehoft was passive-aggressive while talking to him.
I'm not aware.
Okay, you know this case is being televised, right?
I am aware that there are cameras.
And so this gets you your 15 minutes of fame, doesn't it?
Objection, Your Honor. Argumentative.
She said Morgan finally got his 15 minutes of fame and that she's allowed to say that in court, even though Johnny's team was already stopping her. I bet she didn't expect that he would retaliate.
I'm actually putting myself kind of in the target of TMZ, a very litigious organization, and I'm not seeking any 15 minutes here. Though you're welcome to speculate. I could say the same thing by taking Amber Heard as a client for you.
The reaction of the audience was priceless. At this point, they're beyond disrespectful. It's becoming acceptable that Amber and his witnesses act the same way as they do. Honestly, they're just the same as their clients who smirks and smiles creepily whenever she hears something she dislikes, and who walks out the room before the jury and the judge because she disliked her own lawyer's arguments. Those who have been watching the trial closely for weeks admitted that they can't stand to see Amber's lawyers speak anymore. Amber Heard's lawyers are so salty, they deserve everything that comes their way. Let's just see what the jury thinks when they make their verdict in a few days. Amber's lawyers' disgusting acts will definitely be a factor to consider in deciding who wins. Thanks for tuning in. See you in our next videos.